Hey guys, this is Alex. I just wanted to provide a little tutorial or a little tip on how to clean up your brushes and what I do after I finish my painting. So I just finished this this painting of a couple of Meyer lemons, and I have all this paint left over, so we're not going to waste any of that. Scrape all that off with your palette knife, and then take one of your panels that you gessoed and just put some of that on there. And this is just something that I do after every time I paint to tint my panels. And it doesn't matter what colors you have on the palette, the end result is going to be some kind of a neutral gray. Then you take a rag and just wipe it off. You can also add a little bit of turpentine or Gamsol to thin this out a little bit, but you don't have to. Just don't add much oil, linseed oil, to this, because then it's going to be much less absorbent. And you don't want to have a thick layer, just a bit of a wash on there. And after about 2 or 3 days, this will be ready to paint on. Alright, so next we'll wipe off our palette. Again, this doesn't have to be spotless. And then here's a really cool part of this trick. So I have these brushes, and I have mentioned that in one of my other videos that I don't use mineral spirits. So how do I clean my brushes? Well, there's a little trick. I learned this in art school of all places. I had a teacher who was very sensitive to fumes, so she made everybody do this. First you wipe off your brushes, nice and clean, and then you break out this stuff. Try baby oil, or any mineral oil would work also. Take some of that, put it in your little container, and you can use this to wash your brushes. And it dissolves it really well, actually. And then once you wash them, give them a little wipe. After this, you can go wash them with soap. And actually, you should wash them with soap every time you paint. It'll keep your brushes nice and clean and conditioned. And I use brush cleaning soap. You can just use ivory, whatever you want. It all works just fine. But then this stuff, once you've washed all your brushes, don't throw this stuff away, because you can reuse this. In fact, I have a little coffee jar of this stuff, and after it's been sitting for a while, all the paint and all the pigment seeps down to the bottom, and at the top you have clean mineral oil, and you can use that for the next time you clean up. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.